Hi awesome learners, welcome to create your portfolio with Flask Beginner series. In this part of the series we are going to create a hello world application in Flask. Okay, so in this part we are going to explore the real Flask. First let me create the project folder. I am going to create a folder over my desktop and I will name that Smart Tunes. You can name it as you like, so I have given the name is Smart Tunes portfolio. Okay, inside my project folder, I am inside my project folder. Okay, so inside my project folder, this is my project folder. As Flask is a Python based web development framework, we are going to create a Python file. That inside that we will write all the codes for the Flask. So let me create a Python file. I will just create a text document and I will name the Python file as app.txt. Okay, so remember the extension, that is py, Python file extension app.py. Okay, so you can create a file as app.py. I have created. The extension should be .py. Okay, so for this series of videos I am going to use Visual Studio. So let me open Visual Studio from this location. First I am going to open command prompt from this location, then I will write code space dot. It will open Visual Studio on current. Okay, it opened my Visual Studio code. So let's code. First line, we have to import the Flask library, so we can write from Flask import Flask. Okay, from Flask import, sorry, capital F. Okay, I have imported. Now we are going to instantiate Flask app. So how we are going to instance app equals to Flask inside bracket underscore name underscore. Okay, in this way we are going to instantiate our Flask app. Okay, we have instantiated. Now it's our job to give a route. Okay, before going to give a route, let me explain what is a route. Okay, so now we are going to go to our website. Okay, look at the URL. This is the whole URL, but these are the routes. Okay, first look, this is the domain. Okay, domain slash Flask basic, this is a route. Flask basic slash Flask hello world, this is a route. The totally is the URL and the parts are the routes, and you can think of this as route. Okay, the total is a route which is routing your request to this page. Okay, when you are writing this and hitting enter, it is redirecting this page to you. Okay, for example I will copy it and I will open in a new tab. Okay, and hit enter. When I requested this URL, it have delivered me this page. Okay, so this URL you can think as a route. Okay, so for our Flask application, this is our domain and these are our routes. Okay, so for the home page we are going to give a route slash, this will redirect us to home page. This is our home page. Okay, if we will give a route slash, then it will redirect to our home page. So let's create our home page first. So I will go to my code and I will route Okay, you can define the route by a function decorator app dot route. Okay, inside that as we have discussed, we will pass slash, okay, for the home page route. Okay, so we have routed something, and route is a function decorator. So for this route we are going to create a function. So we are going to define a function name home. Okay, and for this tutorial purpose, this video, we are going to return simple hello world. Okay, we are going to return simple hello world. Okay, so for now we have created the route and we have written a function that will return hello world when the user hit to this route. This route means the home route. Okay, this is our Flask application. We have defined the route. The next part is to run the application. Okay, if you have read Python's main function, when you run a program, then the main function will be the function which is underscore underscore main. Okay, so let me write the main function. If underscore underscore name underscore underscore is double equals to main underscore underscore main underscore underscore. Okay, we have defined our main function. Okay, inside that we are going to run the app dot run. As development purpose, we will make debug true, or if you are writing code and you finally you want to deploy that, then you can write debug false. Okay, for now we are going to leave it as simple. Okay, save, we are going to save this code and we are going to run the server. Okay, so the question is, from where we have taken the server? We have just created the app. Now we have written some lines of code. Okay, so the server Flask itself is providing you a light server. Okay, when you are running the application, look at this app.run. When you are calling this function, this is going to activate the server. Okay, so server is given by Flask, and the default port for the server is 5000. Okay, so let me run my application. I am hitting Ctrl S to save the file, and I am going to my command prompt, and here I will write python space app.py. Okay, now look at this, debug mode is up because we have not on the debug mode, and running on the localhost. Look here, 127.0.0.1 is near is equals to localhost. You can access it as localhost colon 5000, or else you can just copy this link from here, Control C, and go to the browser, and you can paste it over here, Control V, and hit enter. Wow, congrats, you get hello world. Okay, so what you have written from there, you get the hello world. Okay, from there we can make some experiment over here. Okay, h2 h2. Okay, we will end the h2 as slash h2. Okay, we have passed a h2 tag. Let me, I have saved this, and let me rerun my server, Control C, and rerun my server. I have rerun. Okay, now I will go to my browser and refresh. Look at this, what happening here. We have just returning only a single tag to the page. Okay, but if in the real world, if I will show my website, okay, this is my website. Okay, let me inspect that. Let me show you the source code. Okay, you can find my source code. There are bunch number of lines, lots of lines are there. Okay, so what are you thinking? Should we paste all the lines of code inside a return statement? Is it so cool? Are you thinking? But not. We are not going to do that. Okay, for this purpose there is a architecture called template rendering. Okay, so we are going to return a template, not the code. Okay, we are returning a code over here, but for now anymore we don't want to return the code, we will return templates. Okay, for that we are going to write a template is a HTML file. Okay, we are going to return simple HTML file. Okay, so how we are going to do that, let's see. First thing first, what we will do, we will first create a templates folder. Remember, all the templates we are going to use in Flask application should be inside templates folder. This is a strict rule of Flask. So let me first create a template folder inside the my project tmpla templates. Okay, I have created a templates folder. Inside templates folder I am going to write a HTML page index.html. Okay, what I have done, I have just created a template folder, and inside that I have created a index.html file. Okay, let me write HTML code. You can write HTML. I have taken a basic HTML. Okay, so here inside body we are going to write hello world, simple h2 tag. Okay, we will use h2 tag first, then we will write hello world. Okay, it's a simple. Okay, in next videos we will work with complex HTML. For now we are going to work how template work in Flask. Okay, to render this template we are going to use another function, we are going to import another function, that is render template. Okay, let me import that. From Flask we are going to import render underscore template. Okay, so in the place of returning the h2 tag, I am going to return a template. Okay, so template will be searched by render template, and inside render template we will pass the template name, that is index.html. Fine, what we have done, look, we are returning a template, render template, by render template function. Look what happened, we are calling the render template function and passing the name of the template. What render template will do, render template will search for the template inside templates folder and return the template to the user. Okay, you can simply think that in the case when you are returning h2 tag over there, now you are returning index.html file. Cool, save all the files, hit Ctrl S over here, hit Ctrl S over here, save all the files, then restart the server by pressing Ctrl C, stop the server, then restart the server, run the program in another tab. Okay, now go and refresh the page. This is our hello Flask hello world page. Okay, let me open the page. I have deleted the link. Let me access the link from here. Let me copy this link and paste it on my Google. Okay, look, we have get the hello world with the template rendering. Okay, that's all about how we are going to render templates with Flask, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorials. Thank you.